Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change background color by using Photopea. Let's get started. First of all, go on your Photopea. Now once you are in here, you have to create a new layer. Once you created a new layer, you have to go on the gradient tool, and here you have to select the paint bucket tool. Now once you select it, you have to go on the color picker, and here you have to select the color that you want. Once you select your favorite color, you have to click on the OK and click on that layer. Now here you have many another option. You can also go on the color field, and from here you can also pick a color that you want or that is your favorite color. You can also replace the color or change its properties. If you do not want, you can also delete that layer. But if you again want to replace that color, you have to simply go on the bucket tool, and here you can select that color, and from here you can change the color. So yeah, this is how you can change background color by using Photopea.